In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to have a live wallpaper on your MacBook. Unfortunately, it cannot be custom and you will just have to choose based on a variety of templates. However, I will make an in-depth tutorial on how to have a custom live wallpaper if this video gets 5 likes. So first, click Command Space and look up App Store. Then you want to look up Live. Then click this one right here, Paper and Live Wallpaper. So open that up. We're going to do any live one, so we're just going to set this one right here as a live wallpaper. There we go. And it's not actually the live wallpaper because if I quit it, this time it will actually work if I quit it. Yeah, so it's not actually it does not actually work unless the application's open. So you will have to keep it open to have this wallpaper, but it's really not that big of a deal. You can just keep it up right here. So that is how you create a live wallpaper for your wallpaper, I guess. And if you want it custom, get this video to 5 likes and I will figure out a way to do that. If this helped you, subscribe, but for now, goodbye.